Hi everyone and welcome to my channel and another unboxing. My name is Melanie and I do daily food hauls, weekly food hauls, TK Maxx hauls, Argos hauls, B&M hauls, beauty box unboxings and various things like that. So if that's the sort of thing you enjoy watching, then please like this video and subscribe. As you can already see, today's video is the Nyx Ready Prep Go gift set or travel set, I think it's called. I got this on ASOS. It's normally £25 but currently it's half price at £12.50. I've had it on my ASOS wishlist for quite a while and I was going to buy it at full price, and then I went on and I noticed it was half price, so I thought why not. So I'm just going to quickly open it and talk you through every item. I think it's pretty self-explanatory what is actually in here. So it comes in this really nice bag. I feel like this could be used for travelling because you can see what's in it. So I'll be going away next month, so I'll probably end up taking this with me, and I like things like this where I can see what's in it, so I'm not having to hunt through things, I can actually see it. So it's got a zip. So I'm going to go from left to right. So the first item is the pore filler, and it says creates a satiny smooth finish, minimising the appearance of enlarged pores, can be worn over or under or without makeup. That sounds pretty amazing, and I've not done my makeup today, so I'm going to use this because I've noticed I have a few larger pores at the moment, so I'll see how I get on with this. The next item is something I already own from NYX or NYX, depending on how you say it. It's the Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the shade Sunbeam. I actually have this. I have the full size of this because I watched a vlog that Jamie Genevieve did, and I think I saw it a couple months after she filmed it, but she had no makeup on and she basically put some of this on and it looked absolutely amazing, so I bought the full size of it, and it didn't look as good on me as it did on her, so I don't know if she put anything else with it, but when I go away I'm going to take this smaller version rather than the bigger version, which is like that big, and it is quite nice but it's very glittery and I'm not a massive glitter fan, but it's perfect for spring summer if you want a bit of extra bling or a bit of extra illumination to your face. The next item is the Control Freak eyebrow gel, clear brow gel. But I think this would be good for those days when I'm not really wearing any makeup and I'm not doing my normal brow and I just want something to keep them in place. So I believe this is full size and I'm looking forward to trying that as well. The next item is the HD Studio Photogenic eyeshadow base. I don't normally use a base on my eyes. I don't know if that's showing, but it's like a very nude colour, you can just see that. I have hooded eyelids and my eyeshadow never really creases, so I've never felt the need. It's very silicone-y feeling. I've never felt the need to use an eyeshadow primer or base, but I'm also going to try this again. I'm actually going to try this today. The next item is super cute. It's so small. It's like the size of a single eyeshadow. It is the HD finishing powder. Nothing on the back. I actually used the loose powder by NYX and I've been using it for 3 or 4 weeks now and I'm very impressed with it, and I will be buying another one quite soon because it is pretty amazing. So I'm looking forward to trying this at some point as well. And then the next item is First Base Primer Spray. I've never used a primer spray, I've used primers. I'm just recently getting into primers because I've used them on and off. So I'm trying Facefinity by Max Factor at the moment, and another one that I got in this month's Pink Parcel and last month's Glossy Box because they both had the same item in. that one isn't very good. I'm liking the Max Factor one so far, so it'd be interesting to see what an actual priming spray is like, and I will also try this today with the other items that I'm going to try. And the final item is the Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. Again, I'm looking forward to trying this, and I will be trying it today. I normally use Urban Decay, I think it's All Nighter, the one that I use, but it ran out a while ago and I've not replaced it, even though I really enjoyed that one. So it's nice to have a spray back in my life. This is Matte Finish. I don't think I'm going to go for this today actually, because I don't want a matte finish. So I will try this at some point. So that is absolutely everything in the Ready Prep Go set by NYX, or NYX, depending how you pronounce it. I think it's really good value, especially for £12.50. I think for £25 it isn't as good value, even though I'm pretty sure the total value comes to more than £25. I think to get a good idea of NYX products, £12.50 right now on ASOS is a good deal. I'm looking forward to trying the majority of them. I probably won't get much use out of the brow gel. Other than that, I'm looking forward to trying them all, and the perfect travel sizes. Like I said, I'm going to take the Born to Glow with me because I've got the full size version and I like that little mini one. So if you have any questions about any of these items, please leave them down below. I'm pretty sure I will do a matching blog post very soon for you. So my blog is always linked in the down bar. Please feel free to check that out, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Thank you for watching everyone. Bye!